Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Sony Bluetooth headphones to your PS5. Many gamers want to use their favorite wireless headphones, but the PlayStation 5 does not offer direct Bluetooth audio support. This means you cannot simply pair your Sony headphones to the console like you would with a phone. However, there is a straightforward workaround using a small, affordable accessory. Let's dive into what you will need to get started. To enable wireless audio, your primary tool will be a USB Bluetooth audio adapter. These small devices plug directly into your PlayStation 5. Make sure your Sony Bluetooth headphones are fully charged, as this ensures a smooth pairing process. Most adapters are plug-and-play, requiring no additional software. You can use either a USB-A port, typically found on the back, or a USB-C port, often located on the front of your console. First, insert your USB Bluetooth adapter into any open USB port on your PlayStation 5. Once plugged in, activate the adapter's pairing mode. This often involves pressing and holding a small button for about 2 to 3 seconds until an indicator light flashes. Next, put your Sony headphones into their Bluetooth pairing mode. Refer to your headphones manual for specific instructions, but it usually involves holding the power or Bluetooth button. The devices should then find each other and connect automatically. After successful pairing, you will need to adjust your PlayStation 5 audio settings. Go to the console's settings menu, then select Sound, and finally Audio Output. Here, you should see your USB adapter listed as an output device. Select it. To ensure you hear all game sounds and chat, change the output to Headphones option to All Audio. You can then control the volume using the physical buttons on your Sony headphones or through the PS5 quick menu.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.